오랜만에 인사드려요. 오늘은 하이킹에 대한 영상을 찍어볼 건데요. 오랜만에 오클랜드가 비가 안 와서 여기 오라케이 베이신이라는 곳에 걸으러 왔습니다. 그동안 오클랜드에 비가 많이 와서 하이킹을 많이 못 나갔었는데요. 오늘 오랜만에 날씨가 좋아서 이렇게 오클랜드 근교에 걸으러 나왔습니다. 최근에 새롭게 알게 된 중국인 친구와 오늘 걸으러 왔는데요. 여러분께 가상으로나마 뉴질랜드의 자연을 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 와. Cute. Look at his tongue.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't. I'm not really pet friendly person. When I was little, I got bitten by dog on my leg. So since that time, I was afraid of all kind of animals. I have a kind of trauma.
Okay. Come baby, come on.
Hello, how are you?
Bit dirty. So muddy around there. Hi, buddy. Thank you. Come baby.
Bye. Do you have pets?
Yeah. I have a dog.
Dog?
Yeah, in Beijing.
Oh, in Beijing.
With my parents.
Oh, with your parents. Uh-huh.
So
Is it boy or girl?
it's a boy.
Boy.
And he already 12 years old.
12 years old.
This year.
Oh, I'm still. Oh, there are so many dogs. I'm really scared now.
So I can get another job.
I think we should go this way, cause that's the where Orakei Greek Bridge is. The bridge, you know, we visited earlier. Or what about that way? 여기 이 오라케이 베이신이 지금 한 4km 정도 되는 그 산책로인데 여기 한 1시간 정도 걸을 수 있는 가벼운 곳이라서 오클랜드 놀러 오시는 분들이 가볍게 산책하시기 좋은 장소로 추천드립니다. You know why? Oh, sorry. 네. I'm trying to get more subscribers, and then if I get more than 1,000 subscribers, I can make a like advertising profit from YouTube. Yeah, and then I'm trying to get some extra money from YouTube. That's the purpose of doing this. Oh, that's a nice picture.
There's so many Korean in Auckland.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Korean people love the like a big city. They don't like a rural area. That's why like about 60% of populations are all in Seoul. In Korea, yeah. So Seoul is so crowded. That's why all the housing prices are high in Seoul. So
Yeah.
you have to go this way to the bridge.
Oh.
Oh, it's muddy. 어저께 비가 와서 여기 조금 많이 땅이 이렇게 좀 젖어 있는데 그래도 여기가 엄청 힘든 하이킹 워크가 아니라서 괜찮을 것 같습니다. Oh, it's a bit slippery. Careful. Hello.
Oi, oi.
Oh, it's so muddy. Wow. Whoops. Wow. Oh, maybe this is the place to hire this water skiing. Yeah.
Oh, they have a coach. Can coach it. Both.
여기가 지금 워터스키 하고 있는 곳인데 여기 산책길 중간에 이렇게 워터스키 장비 빌리는 곳이랑 이렇게 배울 수 있는 곳이 있네요. 와, 기회 되면 한번 배워보고 싶네요. 되게 재밌어 보여요. I might search on Google how much to hire this like water skiing later.
Yeah.
It will be a good experiencing, but I don't know how to swim. That's the problem. I have to wear this safe jacket.
Me neither. I don't know how to swim.
But-
so the thing.
But I'm sure they can provide us like a life jacket.
Yeah, you need to have the skate.
I think we can hire that skate here. Yeah, we're so starved.
What would you like?
Can we have this Benedict on fish?
Yeah.
I will have a smoked salmon.
Sounds good.
She will have a sticky bacon.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Thank you.
Yeah.
One bottle of soju for alone.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's strong. Wow.
I only can drink a half bottle.
Half, you can drink half bottle of soju.
Yes.
You drink just straight or you mix with the soju with other like Coke or others?
Straight? Berry?
Yeah, that might better. I don't like drinking soju straight. I like mixing with the beer.
Oh,
So,
it's here.
so we call that
Mix. Maybe ice latte? Yeah. Much fun.
look at my hot